Sai Ram students, welcome to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our new lesson number 9, flag of different countries. Now, let us start our question answer session. Match the following countries to their flags. China, flag with the gate of heavenly peace superimposed on it, which is option C. Gate of Heavenly Peace is a monumental gate in the center of Beijing, widely used as a national symbol of China. First built during the Ming Dynasty in 1420. Tiananmen was the entrance to the imperial city, within which the Forbidden City was located. Next country, France. The flag of France is tricolor, three vertical bands, blue, white and red, which is option F. The colors symbolize nobility, clergy and bourgeois, which were the estates of the old regime in France. When the tricolor was formally adopted in 1794, its color symbolized the values of the French Revolution: liberty, equality, brotherhood, democracy, secularism, and modernization. Next country, Portugal. The flag of Portugal is green and red with arrows in the center, which is option A. The flag of Portugal is a rectangular bicolor with a field divided into green on the hoist and red on the flag. The lesser version of the national coat of the arms is centered over the color boundary at equal distance from the upper and lower edges. Next country, USA. The flag of USA is 13 tribes and 50 stars, which is option G. The 50 stars of the flag represents the 50 states of the United States of America, and the 13 stripes represent the 13 British colonies that declared independence from the Kingdom of Great Britain and became the first states in the US. Nicknames for the flag include the Stars and Stripes, Old Glory, and the Star Spangled Banner. Next country, India. The flag of India is tricolor of deep saffron on the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom with a chakra in the center. The top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. Next country, Japan. The flag of Japan is white surface superimposed with rising sun, which is option D. The Japanese flag is made up of a red circle symbolizing the sun against a white background. It is known as the Hanamaru in Japanese, meaning circle of the sun, because Japan lies at the far west of the Pacific Ocean. The sun rises spectacularly over the sea to the east. Next country, Pakistan. The flag of Pakistan is dark green with a white vertical narrow band with green portion bearing a white crescent moon and 5-pointed heraldic star. The green represents the Muslim majority in Pakistan and the white stripe represents religious minorities. The crescent represents progress and the 5-pointed star represents light and knowledge. Fun fact: The national flag of USA is also the Old Glory. Now we will see our next lesson, understanding our body. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First fill in the blank. Our body gets its shape from dash. Answer is bones. Bones and cartilage form the skeleton of the human body. It gives the frame and shape to the body and helps in movement. It protects the inner organs. Next fill in the blank. The place where two bones join is called dash. Answer is joint. The place where two or more bones come together is called joint. The bones at a joint are held together by strong bands of tissue called ligaments, which allow the bones to move. Next fill in the blank. Our heart and lungs are protected by the dash. Answer is rib cage. Our lungs are in our chest and are so big that they take up most of the space in there. We have two lungs, but they aren't the same size the way our eyes or nostrils are. Instead, the lung on the left side of our body is a bit smaller than the lung on the right. This extra space on the left leaves room for our heart. Our lungs are protected by rib cage, which is made of 12 sets of ribs. Next fill in the blanks. The fluid in our mouth is called dash. Answer is saliva. Saliva is a clear liquid that's made in our mouth 24 hours a day, every day. It's made up mostly of water with a few other chemicals. The slippery stuff is produced by the salivary glands. Next fill in the blank. Our kidneys are shaped like dash. Answer beans. The kidneys are a very important organ in the body. They are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, located just below the rib cage, one on each side of our spine. The kidneys are responsible for getting rid of waste products, drugs, and toxins through our urine. Next fill in the blank. We are able to move all parts of our body with the help of dash. Answer is muscles. The brain sends signals via the nervous system, including the spinal cord and nerves, to the muscles. The muscles then contract to create movement. Muscles pull on the joints, allowing us to move. Next fill in the blank. Sweat comes to the surface of the skin through tiny dash. Answer is pores. Sweat is made in sweat glands under the surface of the skin. It comes out tiny holes in the skin called pores. Sweat is mostly water, but it also contains some salts. The sweat takes the heat from the body when it evaporates, so helps to lower the body temperature. Sweating also leads the body to excess water and some waste products. Next fill in the blank. The eyes are protected in front of dash. Eyelids. Eyes are also protected by tears, which moisten them and clean out dirt, dust, and other irritants that get past the defenses of the eyelashes and eyelids. Tears also help protect against infection. With each blink of our eyelids spread a layer of mucus, oil, and tears over the cornea, which covers the front of the eye. Next, fill in the blank. Messages travel to and from the brain along tiny cords called neurons. These are the building blocks of our brain. Neurons communicate with each other by sending chemicals and electrical signals. There are about 100 billion neurons in the human brain. Next, fill in the blank. Food and oxygen are carried to all parts of the body by dash. Answer is blood. All the parts of our body need a supply of blood. This red sticky liquid carries food and oxygen to every part of our body. The heart and its network of blood vessels are called the circulatory system. Next, fill in the blank. Blood flows in the body through tubes that are called, answer is, blood vessels. Blood moves through many tubes called arteries and veins, which together are called blood vessels. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries, and the ones that carry blood back to the heart are called veins. Next, fill in the blank. An average human body contains dash liter of blood. Answer is 4.7 to 5.5 liters. Scientists estimate the volume of blood in a human body to approximately 7% of body weight. An average adult with a weight of 150 to 180 pounds will contain approximately 1.2 to 1.5 gallons, that is 4.7 to 5.5 liters of blood. Fun fact: there are about 1 billion red blood cells in 2 or 3 drops of blood. Students, today's session is over. Now we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.